Hey there, how's it going? Erin Rennick, Middale Public Schools. Today we're going to look at uploading your files that you do on your computer using Microsoft programs such as Excel and Microsoft Word, and uploading them to your drive and then sharing them with people within your organization or anyone you need to share those files and documents with. So first things first, as always, Middale, make sure you are synced up. All right, you're synced. If you, on your icon up here, it's your Middale email. If you're on the Google home page, then you'll be able to get to your drive quickly. So the process of this is you've already got your Excel or your Microsoft document or whatever file you're needing to get into your drive has already been created. Once that part is taken care of, remember where it's saved, and then you're going to go into your drive. So either you can go up to the left-hand side of your screen inside of Google Chrome and hit Apps, and that's going to give you your options. For our organization, we have a couple extras, but then your Google stuff. And we're going to click on Drive, and that's going to bring me right into my drive. If you look on the right-hand side here, this is still my Middale email account. Make sure that that's still that and not a personal one if you're trying to share within a certain organization. Okay, and from there, it's a really simple process. On the left-hand side of your screen, underneath the Drive triangle, there's a multicolored plus button with the word New next to it. Click on that and you're going to get some options. And we're going to choose a second option called File Upload. And this is where just remember where you saved it. For in this case, the files I'm uploading are on my desktop. I go through here and you can select multiple at a time. It's selected right now because it's highlighted blue. Once that's selected, I can hit open. And then if you notice in the lower right hand corner, it's giving me an update on the process. I can click on it right here then if I want, and it'll open. All right, so it gives me a preview. It'll also be available, it's within your drive. If you refresh your page, it should come into your quick access. These are your most recent documents that you've opened. And now we're going to talk about sharing that document. So this was a Microsoft Excel file, and now I'm ready to share it. I'm going to share it today with Dr. Hazelwood. And so a couple ways you can do this. The easiest way is you have your file. If you right click on it, you're going to get a menu that pops down for you. And the third option is going to say share. And you get the sharing dialog. And in this situation, I'm going to just start typing Dr. Hazelwood's email address. It autofills for me because I'm sharing within my organization. I select that. I can even say, hey, cool guy, here's the academic. Or whatever other details that you would normally put in the body of your email, perhaps as you're attaching these files, you can put this here and it'll notify the sender. Notice here I got this check mark. It says notify people. So Dr. Hazel will get an email from me saying that I've sent him a file via Drive. So I've shared it from my drive into his, and he's going to be able to access it just the same. You just hit send, and that's it. If you need to upload another one, again, just go through the same process that you did. File upload. You can choose a different document. And that same process. All right. If you need any help with any of this, just put in a help desk ticket, and we'd love to help you guys out. Thanks so much. Bye.